Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can adjust the margins in your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. First, open the application itself and open your PDF document. Once you're here, you can click on this option, All Tools or Access All Tools, and just look for Organize Pages. And from here, you can select which page you would like to adjust the margins, or you could just simply select everything. So for this video, we will just select one page. All right. Then what you can do is set box, or what I mean is set page boxes. Then another window will pop up. Just make sure to configure your units. So by default, it will be by inches. You can obviously change this to cm, millimeters, and so forth. So inches, you can make some adjustments here, but what I need to focus on is the change page size. So fixed sizes, you can look up in here. You will have various options. So you can choose none, and also you can choose custom. As you can see, this is the current dimensions of your PDF document. If you're going to change the width to 9 and this to 11, as you can see, it updated right away. Once you have made your changes, make sure to click on OK. And you're done. You have successfully adjusted the margins for one page, and you can also do the same for the rest of the pages inside your PDF document. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.